This is a ship I was saying that Donald Trump was going to buy it. He thought about it. He also got on it. He wanted to turn it into like a floating restaurant. And he went on it. He went on it to check it out. And he said it was too much work. Uh, just way too much money to invest in it. And too many rats, which that's no big deal. But the USS United States, it retired as an ocean liner. It retired already, but it was built between like 1950 and 1951 for the United States line. A lot of famous people was on this ship. If you Google this ship and find out how many famous people was on it, you'll see there was a lot. I'm reading on it now. It says the ship is the largest ocean liner constructed in the United States and the fastest ocean liner to cross the Atlantic in either direction, retaining the blue ribbon for the highest average speed since her maiden voyage in 1952. A title she still holds today. That's hard to believe, but that's what it says. She was designed by American naval architect William Francis Gibbs and can be converted into a troop ship if required by the Navy in time of war. That's pretty cool to know. The United States maintained an interrupted schedule of transatlantic passenger services until 1969 and was never used for military applications. Of course, the owner's United States Lines, operated United States Line. Port of registry was in New York. It was ordered in 1949. Builder was Newport News. Cost was $79.4 million. In today's money, that'll be $721 million. It was laid down into the water February 8, 1950. And launched, I guess, on its first voyage, June 23rd, 1951. Maiden voyage was July 3rd, 1952, and it was in service in 1952. And it went out of service November 14th, 1969. I'm trying to see all the famous people that was on here. I guess you can Google that later. But anyway, this is South Philadelphia, where I was born and raised. This is the Delaware River on the South Philadelphia side. Across the river will be New Jersey. Right across the street, as you can see, IKEA is on the left. And then you have, what's that? IKEA is on the left, and Lowe's is right there with the white roof. Then you got Wendy's there on the bottom left, Wendy's, and then I believe that's that chicken place, not Popeyes, the other chicken place. Forgot the name of it. But then across here, these are all the docks. Up forward here, these are the docks. They're out of commission now, but they were these docks here. They were used a lot in the 1800s, early 1900s. Produce sales and all kinds of stuff. The ships would dock here. From all over the world, they would dock right here to drop off supplies. And like I said, that's the Delaware River right there, as you can see. And to the left of the river, which I'm going to be taking the drone that way any second now, you're going to see Home Depot and Walmart. You can see how old these buildings are. Look how old these buildings are. It's crazy. But yeah, I just came back from Kensington. I'm going to make this into public. I'm going to make this public. I was going to use it for channel members only, but I'm going to use it public since I didn't fly in Kensington. I'm just going to make this a public video. If you can see straight ahead, that white building straight ahead to the right is Walmart, and the one just to the left of the screen of Walmart is Home Depot. You can't see it, but bottom left is McDonald's and a couple other stores in that area. in the mall. Straight ahead is Center City, as you can see. Just went off picture. I'm gonna start doing this. I like doing this. I'm gonna start doing this with my Kensington flybys, so that way I can show you. You know, there goes Somerset, there goes Needle Park. You know, you can hear me talk and tell you instead of just listening to music all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But there's the SEPTA bus making a left right there. So I'm gonna swing it around to the right here and head back towards the ship, the U.S. The SS United States. Look at all that garbage down there. See all that trash? Look at that. That's great. And my phone is going off. Going off, it's going off, it's going off, it's going off, it's going off. Let's see what else here. The only thing you can't eat the fish in this river. I used to go fishing here when I was younger. A lot of catfish, eels and stuff like that. No, that's not salt water. It's river water. It's not salt. But this is the river that they found the beluga whale in. The beluga whale, instead of going on the direction where the drone is going, that's going towards the ocean. He was going the opposite way, headed towards up New York, up North Jersey. They were afraid that he was going to die in these waters, but they can swim in both waters. Of course, they prefer salt water, but they can swim in both waters. And straight ahead, you can see this ship was huge. Like this, I mean, not was, it still is huge. Big ship. I think Bob Hope was one of the celebrities that was on here. I mean, like I said, you can Google and check for yourself. Just check, celebrities on the SS United States, and you'll hear them. But this ship also, there's no wood on this ship because, of course, fire. Fire. They don't want to scare of fires. Big fire out in the ocean. So everything is made out of metal and aluminum, tin. Even the bar, they got a bar in there. It's made out of aluminum. Pretty cool. You can see that too when you Google this ship. Look how beautiful that ship is. You see the smoke, the thing that said the smoke tunnels. Titanic had 4 of them, but the last one was a dummy. Only 3 worked. On Titanic, they put a 4th one to make it look bad, bad to the bone. But it was really 3, and the 4th one was just used for storage. So they say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I told you I was going to show you the ship. And now just let me go upload Kensington video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, this is Mike for Drones Are Eagles. Remember, love is the key. Ciao.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. Ain't it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back from